Hey guys, this is Michelle. Michelle wants to change it up today, chop a little hair off. So here we go. And so she's got some big roots. So what we have to do is we have to apply 1/4 of an inch from the scalp. And then when that's done processing to about a level 8, we will go ahead and hit it on the roots. So I use these little foils just to incubate. She is really dark. She's like a level 3. And I'm using Big 9 and Olaplex. I really like this for that because it's very gentle but very powerful. So we're going to go ahead and process that, like I said, to a level 8. And she wanted a color change, so we had to pull it through. And her ends turn green, of course. So we're going to ship that with Oligo Color Gloss and a 7R. And as you can see, it did shift her ends to an orange, and that's exactly what we needed because she wants some sunset hair today. So we're going purple into red into orange. And we're just going to blend those through, and I'm bringing it forward because it's going to leave a gradient because our hair is going to go back. And so it's going to create more of a blend that I don't really need to work at. So we're just going to go ahead and do the underneath of the hair, just kind of like blending that all together. And there is the final result. So here it is straight, and look at that blend. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Put a little wave in it. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and hit the ding dong.
Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.